Welcome back, everybody. Today we got a new floodlight camera in from our friends over at ReoLink. They sent us this camera and told us to check it out and give our honest opinion on it. Now, we have a few ReoLink cameras already and a ReoLink hub system, but we purchased that with our own money. So full disclosure, this camera was sent to us for our personal review. It'll be basically what we see out of the camera and our actual thoughts on it. So inside the box, you'll get your ReoLink camera here. That's a solar floodlight camera. It's going to include in the kit as well the charging cable, the mounting bracket, the adjustment cable, a template, and screws. So we're going to get this out of the way. We're going to set the camera down so you can see it better and talk about all of its features. All right, this camera has adjustable floodlights. It has a solar panel on the top that is not adjustable. Your sensor, your camera. You have a USB Type-C charging port, your power button and memory card slot. There's a speaker and a microphone there for audio and listening. All right, the ReoLink Solar Floodlight is an all-in-one solar-powered floodlight camera. It's designed to deliver real illumination at night, reliable surveillance, and it's made practical through the wireless solar power, so no wires needed or anything like that. And it's got AI recording to detect humans, pets, cars. It's got a 2K security video performance. Again, it's wireless, so it's real flexible on where you can install it. Some of the key features of the light, it includes a 1000 lumen floodlight operation, and the optional siren up to 110 decibels, which is pretty loud. You got 2 detection modes for everything lighting and smart detection. Your flood mode, you have an adjustable brightness color temperature from 3K warm to 6K cool to meet your needs and to give you the best video quality. Also has an alert mode that will intelligently flash the lights or turn them on. It's triggered by AI, and you can choose that in the app, which the app is very immersive and deep, and it allows you just to have a whole bunch of control over the cameras or this camera from a distance. So the Floodlight Security is not just a lighting option on here. It does do several other things with real protection. It's got AI detection with personalized light responses. It can, like we said earlier, it can identify people, vehicles, animals. You can activate custom lighting responses, custom brightness, custom color temperatures, flashing style, and light duration. So maybe if you have an animal walking by, you just want to flash the light to scare them. Or if you have it set up for somebody coming in your backyard or wherever you have this floodlight to strobe and also activate the siren. So you're going to have many features on the security side of this. It is fully solar powered. So basically, this type of solar panel here is only going to really require about an hour of full daylight to allow the camera to operate all night. It does really well in cloudy weather. Our other cameras we've had up for a couple months now, we haven't had any issues. They've been at 100% the whole time. No wiring needed, so it's hassle-free installation and maintenance. And as far as the camera goes, you've got a 2K 4 megapixel HD camera, 150 degree wide field of view, and you also got color night vision. Now, the solar panel is going to really depend on your current location, but you want to give it, 1 to 2 hours minimum a day to keep this thing charged up overnight. So that's really the gist of it. We're going to get it set up on the app and show you how easy it is, and then get it set up outside and show you some of the features. All right, we're going to show you how easy it is to set up and start using. The first thing we're going to do is install the SD card. And it's held in place by these little silicone plugs. All right, and it says to put the SD card in like that. We'll see if that's right, if I read it right. All right. Now we're going to go into the app and show you installing it on the app. All right, this is the app. We've got all of our cameras here, basically showing everything. What we're going to want to do next is just push that plus button there. We're going to scan the QR code right here. We scanned it and we're going to use it with the home hub. Are you sure you want to connect? Confirm. It asked us to turn the device on. We hit next. Indicator light is flashing red. Check. Next. And then it's going to be scanning.
Link.
All right, we are connected. Initializing the device. And we're going to name it right now, and we'll come back after we name it. It's walking us through the setup. And now we're online. We're going to go outside and install it. All right, that's the old floodlight we're replacing. There seems to be a bird's nest up there, and not sure if that's why it's broken. But the ReoLink one, we're gonna put right there on that corner, get it mounted up and adjusted to get the best sunlight and see how it looks. All right, we got it installed on the side of the shop. Sorry for lighting, it's getting dark out. We'll go inside and check the camera out and see how everything looks. When you're viewing in the daytime, as you can see, the AI is picking up the different vehicles actively with the blue boxes. It has beautiful sound. You can zoom. It's a very clear picture. We'll let it get dark out and show you how it looks at nighttime. All right, this is the camera at nighttime. As you can see, it's still very clear. We can zoom in and still see a pretty good amount of everything. So what we're going to do now is we're going to turn the light on and show you that you can actually see in color at night as well. And that's with the light on. As you can see, the colors there. And that's back off, and AI tracking is working, detecting the vehicles. Alright, so that basically sums it up. You've seen the features there. It's a really good security camera with a floodlight. So if you guys like the product, check the link out in the description to explore ReoLink's floodlight camera. It delivers powerful security lighting with solar power freedom for security. We're going to display a QR code up on the screen now. Please use that QR code if you want to check out the camera. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.